Welcome to Broomfield Taichi Chuan. In today's video, let's practice needle at the bottom of the sea from the 24 posture form. In needle to the bottom of the sea, we're going to start at the end of Fair Lady Works the Shuttles. Then we take a half step up with our right foot as our right hand comes slightly out. Then you shift your weight back and your left hand comes in front of your face. As your left hand drops, your right hand comes up over your ear. And then you sink your body and your fingers come down into needle at the bottom of the sea. In needle at the bottom of the sea, we shift from our front stance to our back stance. So first you bring your back foot up a half step. Your left hand comes across and your right hand comes up over your ear. And as you sink, you go down into your back stance, your cat stance. Half step up, block with your left. Right hand comes all the way up over your ear and sink with your whole body. So I don't send my arm down, I sink with my center. So my hand sinks and my intention is on my fingers. My fingers go down and I sink. Now I have a slight bend in my back, and that's not because I'm trying to bend over, it's because I'm sinking my center. So as I sink my center, I go down with a slight bend. Let's practice again. That was needle to the bottom of the sea from the 24 posture form. Keep watching more of my videos to learn more Tai Chi and give me a subscribe. Keep practicing, stay healthy, stay strong.